In this video we are going to give an overview of the SML Playground. Users can visit many different pages on the playground. Model score shows you information about the score of your model. As you can see here, we ensembled two different models and can see the ensembled score, as well as individual scores. The true versus prediction plot allows you to gain valuable insights about how your model is performing. You can watch a video on this page to learn more about different insights that can be derived. The feature contribution bar chart shows the impact of features on the target column in descending order. In this bar chart, you can see that median income has the highest impact on the target column. The partial dependency plot can show the relationship between any feature and the target column. For example, you can see over here that as the median income increases, the median house value also increases. The uncertainty quantification plot shows users the risk associated with their data. For example, in this plot, we can see that the risk band width over here for median house value of $200K is less than the risk band width for house values in the $400,000 bracket. This tells us that the user must collect more rows of data for houses with values of $400,000. The Make a Prediction card allows you to start making predictions on your target column. Users can use a file to make a prediction. With this option, the user can choose an existing file or upload a new file. Users can also manually edit features to make a prediction. Users can also export their experiment results with the Generator Report card. Generator Report allows you to create a customizable report in PDF or PowerPoint format. The Generate an API Key card allows users to generate an API key and use it outside of SML. We provide code snippets as well to show the user how it can be used. Review Experiment card summarizes all of the experiment details. The last card on our playground page is the Publish Experiments card. The Publish Experiment card shares the experiment with teammates that are added as collaborators to the dataset.